Know that the foundation requirement at the braced bay is higher compared to normal column. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply put two braced bay side by side. Why? In that case, you can use this foundation as a common footing. Okay, so now what will happen? Instead of using these two braces, okay, we are using only this brace and this brace, and this is from economics point of view. Okay, so we have eliminated this one. Okay, so this is about wind load and seismic load and related to the structure of the building. Okay, now there is also cases related to the overhead crane like this. Okay, you know that overhead crane, when reached at the end, okay, it has to apply its brake, as a result of which a huge amount of lateral braking load or stop load is generated. Okay, so to cater that braking load or stop load at the end of the building, of course you have to provide some bracing at the end of the building also, right? Here you can see in this picture, the end bracing has been provided just to arrest the stop load or the braking load from this overhead crane. Okay, and also in middle of the building, here you can see, also in the middle of this building, the bracing has been used from wind load point of view. Okay, so this is another case. Now let's say you have multiple overhead crane which are being operated simultaneously. So in that case, what you have to do? So based on the load path, you need to provide multiple bracing simultaneously, as you can see here.